Hey, hello, and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you all are doing well. Today's problem is grinding Geek, and what the problem is saying is that we will be given a cost array. Okay, this cost array will contain the cost of each course. Okay, the cost of n courses will be given. Okay, and what the problem is saying is, and we'll also be given a total cost, total amount which we have, which the Geek has. Okay, now what they're saying is, if Geek purchases, for example, this course, right, at amount 10, right? So if he's able to complete this course in within 90 days of the purchase, within 90 days of the purchase, he will receive 90% refund. Okay, 90% refund. So whatever, if he pays 10, right? If he pays 10, so he will get 90% of this, right? So he'll get 9 rupees, 9 back. Okay, he'll get 9 rupees back. Okay, if he purchases. So Gig decides that whenever he purchases a course, he will complete the course on the same day itself, right? And he'll receive the 90% refund. Okay. So what they are saying is we have to find the maximum number of courses that Geek can complete in those end days, right? If he had total amount, okay, with him. Okay. So we have to find the maximum courses he can accomplish, he can take. Okay, he can complete basically. Okay. Whenever we get such problems, right, maximum number of courses, right? So see, here we have choice. For example, if we consider this, right? For example, if we consider this as an example, right? This is a cost array given, right? Now we have choice. We'll have choice to either take this course or not take this course, right? We have choice to either take this course, not take this course, either take this course, not take this course, and also definitely we should be having the amount with us, right? More than the cost, right? More than or equal to the cost, right? Then only we'll be able to purchase. Okay. But and if we have the amount more than the cost, then definitely we have the choice to either take this course or not take this course, to take this course or not take this course, right? In order to find the maximum, it may happen that if I don't buy this course, right, and if I buy all the other courses, then maybe I'll be able to have more courses, right? I'll be able to complete more courses, purchase more courses and complete more courses, right? Right. So maybe what can happen is, for example, if this is example, right? If I buy this course, right? So I'll be able to buy only these many courses. Okay. If I decide to buy this course, right? Okay. And if I decide not to buy this course, then I will be able to complete more. For example, with 10, right? With this course I purchase, I was able to buy 7, maximum 7. But if I choose to ignore this, and if I buy the next courses, right, I'll be able to buy 9 courses, right? So that is why choice is very important. So we'll calculate for both purchase and non-purchase of this for every course, right? Purchase and not purchase, right? So recursion comes into picture when we have two choices, right? When we have two choices, so there'll be two branches, right? So either take this index, right? Either take this course or not take this course, right? So there'll be two choices now. Okay. So there'll be two function calls definitely, right? One with this one and one without this one. Okay. So when there are two choices, right? When there are two branches, right, of recursion, then definitely if you just use plain recursion, right, we'll get TLE, right? Time limit, right? We'll get TLE, right? So we'll also, what we'll do in order to resolve this TLE, we'll do memoization. We'll pre-compute some of the calculations, right? So that we don't need to recompute again. Okay, so let's jump onto the code. I've implemented the code. So for example, right, we'll be given this max courses. Okay, we have this n and we have total amount with us. This is a cost array, right? Now DP, we have initialized this. Okay, DP is what we are bringing 2D array. Okay, DP. Okay, we will see this. Okay, so find maximum courses, we are calling this, right? Now what we are doing here is the base condition is if total amount is less than equal to 0 or current index is exceeded, right? Current index is exceeded the cost array, right, size, then we'll simply return 0. Okay, we'll come to this later on, this part. Okay, now here, if we have total, if we have amount with us, total amount with us, which is greater than or equal to cost, right, of that course on that particular index, then only we'll be able to purchase that course, right? So yes, so if we are able to, so let's consider that we are buying this course now. Okay, on current index, we're buying this course. So we have to, what it will be, Geek will complete that course in that same day itself, right? So total minus 10% will be deducted, right, from that cost. For example, it is 10. The cost of that on that particular index is 10. So 10% will be deducted, right? And 90% will be remaining with us. So total, whatever, for example, total was 10, right? And only 10% of that cost will be deducted, right? So we are subtracting 10% of the cost because 90% we are getting. Okay. So we are doing 10%, we are deducting 10%, okay, from total. So we have new total over here. And what we'll do, see, one is we have considered that course, right? We have completed that course. Okay. So we are taking one. And then what we're doing is find maximum courses. We are passing out the new total, right, which we have. And we are incrementing the index. That is the next course. We are moving on to the next course now. Next course. Okay. So we are calling the function over here, we are considering, right, this the current course. And here it is not consider the current course, right? So we'll simply not select this course. We'll simply, and total, definitely if you don't select, then total will be as is, right? And we'll just move on to the next index, next course. Okay. So, and what we'll do here is, now we'll take the maximum out of considering and not considering. Okay, considering the, I showed you, right? So it may happen that if I didn't select this, the current course, right? I didn't select this current course, and I was able to have more number of courses, 9 courses, right? So we have to have maximum out of this. So when I consider this one, when I had considered this one, right? This course, then I had 7 only, right? So here we'll have maximum of both consider and not consider the current course. Okay, and what we are doing here is, see, we'll have DP of the index and total amount. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll store this into DP of current index and total. Okay, and here we'll first see, before going again into recursion, right, into this all these steps, we'll see whether we already have computed the amount, right? The amount, and for that particular course, right? So if it is, then we will return from here. Okay. Otherwise, we'll go here and we'll do recursion again. So here simply what we're doing, initially we are initializing this DP with -1. Okay, with -1. So if it is not -1 over here, that means we have stored the computed the number of courses for this current index and with that total amount, right? So yes, so this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Let's submit it. So yes, it is accepted. Let's quickly see the C++ code as well. Okay. So similarly, C++ code will declare this DPS arrays like this. Okay. I've explained this base conditions, right? And I've explained this as well. If it is already pre-computed, then return directly. Otherwise, we'll have consider, not consider. If total, right, we have more amount, then more or equal to the cost of the current index, right? Then we will have this new total deducting 10%, right, of the course cost. Okay. And then we are considering here. So we'll have 1, right? 1 plus, so new total will be passing, and current index plus 1. That is the next course. And not consider, right? Not consider, we'll have, will total will be as is, and we'll move on to the next course, right? And then we'll have the maximum out of these two, consider, not consider. We'll store this in the DP array as well. Okay. So this is, and here we are initializing, right? We are initializing with -1 DP. Okay. So here it is. Okay. So this is a solution. Okay. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.